How to fix the mmc.exe error in Windows 10. Below are some useful tips that may help fix the mmc.exe error in Windows 10. 1. Run a system file checker scan as admin, sfc/scano. 2. Run a chkds scan as admin. 3. Clean boot your Windows 10. Four. Back up your personal data, then roll back your Windows 10 with System Restore. If System Restore does not work, reset Windows 10. 5. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. And run the following two commands as admin, dism.exe /online/ cleanup image / restore health sfc / scano. Restart your computer later. 6. If you met this app has been blocked for your protection, mmc.exe. Type Smart Screen in Cortana, choose App and browse Control within Windows 10 settings. Turn off Windows Smart Screen in Windows Defender Security Center. Check if there is another administrator account. If yes, get that administrator account to enable computer management in Group Policy, press Windows and R to open the Run dialog, and type bedite.msc. And press Enter. In the left pane, click on User Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components Microsoft Management Console Restricted / Permitted Snap-ins. In the right pane, right-click on Computer Management and click on Edit. Select Not Configured. Click OK. Plan B, open. and type secpol.msc. Click on Local Policies. Look for, and right-click User Account Control, run all administrators in admin approval mode. Select Properties and then Disabled or Enabled. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Note, if the computer belongs to your company, please contact your SYS admin or IT department for further assistance. 7. Install the latest updates for Windows. Update your device drivers to the latest version. Run the DI and the SFC tool as admin. 8. Turn off Windows Smart Screen in IE 11.